Hey, what's going on? Today we'll be taking a look at my daughter's first big Christmas present for the year, which is the Daisy lever action Cowgirl carbine. It is a 650 shot repeater BB gun, shoots 350 feet per second, and it is identical to the Red Ryder style BB gun by Daisy. Also, it just has the pink painted wood stock instead of the traditionally stained wood stock. Included with this particular box set was 750 zinc plated BBs, some cool little targets to shoot at, and some safety glasses, which are mandatory. We'll kind of take a look here. Upon initial inspection, everything is well packaged. Comes with an instruction manual, lever action carbine. Underneath this cover you can see nice safety glasses, BBs, target. Let's take it out of the box, check it out. The last thing a 5-year-old who gets a rifle for Christmas is going to want to do is do the initial unboxing cleaning or any of the sighting in that goes with sighting in the iron sights for a 5-year-old who's going to be shooting from about 5 meters or so. You can see on the front it has the what's called a blade and ramp style, I believe, front sight, and an adjustable rear sight in the rear. I know this isn't the best camera, but you can kind of see that there. Cross block safety. Nice. If we flip it over, comes with this cool little leather tassel. Other side of the cross block safety. Zinc BBs are loaded in here, or copper BBs, copper heads, whatever the case may be. Basically 4.5 millimeter, .177 caliber. All in all, I have a feeling that this is going to make my Annie Oakley status 5-year-old daughter very, 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 very happy this Christmas. She's ridiculously accurate with her brother's airsoft gun already, and we're just trying to nurture that skill in her and teach gun safety along the way. Make sure that you can learn a good skill, but you can also do it while being safe, and we're instilling that at a young age in all our kids. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'd say for $42 there is no way you can make your daughter happier if she is any type of outdoorsy girl. Thanks a lot, you guys.